Hey, do you want to get started with print on demand, but you're not sure where to go, what to use, how to do it? I mean, there's a whole bunch of different platforms that you can use, like Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, and more, really. Plus, what do you sell? How do you know? How do you figure this out? Well, I put together a free print on demand course that you can view right now on YouTube. All you have to do is go to the link that'll be above or below this video. You can sign up for the free course. I'll send you right to it immediately. You'll land on this page where you can watch every single video. We have an intro, how it works, how to get support. We even threw in a free Facebook group to get you the support that you need along the way, as well as the big three platforms, products you can sell, how much can you make, mindset. We're talking about general stores versus niche stores, coming up with a store brand name, creating an email address, creating your logo, creating your social media accounts. And I included my favorite way to spy on products, which you'll love. And then your research sheet, the design tools that I use, including Canva, Kindle, and WordSwag. Plus, you can also buy designs or you can get them from Creative Fabrica. Then my top three print-on-demand suppliers that I use is Printify, Printful, and Awkward Styles. Then we get into the three platforms. So creating your Etsy shop, there's videos on that. Launching on Etsy, exactly how to do it. Creating your Shopify store, launching on Shopify, creating a WooCommerce store, launching on WooCommerce. Then we talk about free and paid traffic methods along with email marketing, plus a recap, filling it out, personalized products, one thing I ask of you, and a thank you. So this course will get you going. It'll get your feet wet with print on demand. If you're interested, click the link, get in there now. We'll see you inside the course. Have a great day.